Hey guys, and welcome to Behind the Brown Gate today. Y'all, you're not gonna believe what we're doing. We're at this beautiful property on East Beach called Pelican Place, and we're doing our fall photo shoot. Stay tuned because there's some fun behind the scenes clips that I think you'll enjoy seeing. So before we show you those behind the scenes clips, come on and follow me for a little walk around this absolutely beautiful property. So y'all, this is probably one of my absolute favorite spots. This property is actually represented by Hosted SSI. It is a vacation rental. It has 7 bedrooms, sleeps 14, and it has 5.5 baths. So if you've got a big family or you've got a lot of fun friends and you want to rent somewhere close to the beach, East Beach is just right there. But what a great piece of property to swim and entertain in. And follow me because I absolutely love the fire pit right here. So as you can see right here, the fire pit has 8 seats. It has one of Sea Island Forge's kettles. It's the perfect spot for an evening under the moon here on St. Simon. And then look at the beautiful lawn out to the side here. What a great space for the kids to play, for the dogs to run, and just enjoy time with your family and friends. All right, so we made it to the very top. And what do you see over my shoulder but the Atlantic Ocean? Y'all, that is East Beach in all its glory. What a perfect spot to come as the sun comes up in the morning. It comes up right over my left shoulder and it sets right in front of me. So you've got ocean views on this side, you have marsh views on this side, and wow, I can't think of a better place to stay if you're headed to St. Simon's. So before we wrap up, I want to make sure that I tell you about my fabulous dress. This is by Holly Shea. It's in the most beautiful colors for autumn. It is called the Bria dress. It is so easy to wear. It cinches at the waist and it buttons all the way up the front. I love the sleeve length. I love the color. I think it's just perfect for any fall activities you may have on the horizon. And before we completely wrap it up, I want to say a very special thank you to Hosted SSI for letting us come and enjoy this beautiful home here on St. Simon's to do our photo shoot. And if you're interested in more information on this lovely home, be sure to reach out to us and I can put you in touch with just the right person.